Hi, I'm Rame, architect and co-founder of Aura Dwellings and Hospitality, where we specialize in modern prefabricated units. This project, Butterfly Home in the Lost Pines, originated out of a desire to create a connection between the homeowners and the landscape. We've really tried to open up the home with these two wings, embracing the landscape and creating the outdoor space, with the Plungie being a pivotal part of that design. When we initially started talking to the homeowners about incorporating a pool, it was a strong desire, but we weren't sure that we could actually make it a reality. Because this site is slightly sloping, we were able to utilize Plungie's cast concrete design to keep the surface of the pool level with the home and the deck, and expose the cast concrete sides to create an integrated solution with the landscape. Incorporating a Plungie into design definitely makes the home more fun. It gives it a resort-style feel, especially where we've incorporated large sliding doors to connect the indoor and outdoor space. I definitely feel that Plungie is changing the market and people's perception of installing a pool. It actually goes alongside our prefabricated units because we share the same qualities of enhancing speed, reliability, and ease of installation. And the design flexibility of these pools really gives us a variety of options, from a fully in-grade installation to a semi-recessed installation like we've done here. At Aura, we really believe that prefabricated technology is the way of the future. Incorporating a Plungie really enhances the client's lifestyle and creates a draw that enhances the home's value as well.